Today we're going to do hosting a website for free using GitHub Pages. That's how I've done all of my portfolio projects on my portfolio page. So first, let's take a look at it to see what it's going to look like. So let's just go down here to my project section and just pick one of these. I mean, not all of these. Obviously, I mean, this is my Shopify store. That's not on GitHub Pages. But for example, this one, the Roman Empire Fun Facts Generator. So if I click on this, you can see the URL. It says zaku.github.io/ the name of the repository. And that's how this works. It's hosted on here for free. Anybody can use this link and get it, and then they can get a fun fact about the Roman Empire or whatever it is your project is doing. So that's going to be the goal for this video, is for you to host a project for free onto the internet and get this link for anyone to see. Now, if you go back to my actual portfolio page, which is now broken, there's not a way to go back. You'll see it's zakjapan.com. So if you do want to get a custom domain like this, you will have to at least buy the domain. You can go ahead and get really good hosting service on Hostinger. If you use my code that I'll put in the link to this video, I'll put in the description of this video, you'll get a huge discount. It'll also help support the channel. And that's what I use going forward. In the beginning, I was only doing the free stuff, but now, like for my blog, I'm using Hostinger, and from here on out, as I buy new domain names and build new websites, I'm doing it all on Hostinger. The reason for that is, if you look here, you can have 300 websites for this one price. Cloud startup, cloud hosting. No, we want just web hosting. Okay, so for $2.45 a month, if you use my code for getting the discount, you can have 100 websites on there. So that's why whenever I have a new kind of business idea or something, I'll buy the domain name, and then I can just connect it to this hosting that I'm only paying less than $3 a month for. That's where you go for custom domain names. But for today's topic, just doing a little free practice project so you can get it out on the internet and start building up your portfolio. That's what we're doing today. So let's go into GitHub and go to your repositories for whichever one it is that you want to host. I'm going to do this free code camp walkthrough. All right, so this is something that I've already made. Let me see here if I can open it. It must be here. Yeah, so let's just go live and view. Okay, so this is viewing it with the live server, just in my local environment. It's not hosted on the internet. So we're going to try to put this onto the internet with the free hosting from GitHub Pages. And where did it go? This one is not on GitHub yet, so I need to publish to GitHub. I was on the wrong thing. Public repository. Okay. Okay, so now we can say we're here. So let's redo that. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We've got free code camp tutorials. Click on here. Go to settings. Okay, go to settings, pages, GitHub Pages, deploy from a branch. We're going to deploy from the main branch. Click save. And now it says here, your GitHub Pages site is currently being built from the main branch. So now we just have to wait for a few minutes. Just keep refreshing. there it is. Visit site. There we go. It looks the same as this one that's in my local environment, but we now have this, so I could share this to anybody and they can click on it and see my wonderful project that I've built here for the whole world to see on the internet. And if I want to, when I'm building my portfolio, I can put that kind of thing here. That's simple, just clicking a few buttons and you've got your page up on the internet here. How cool is that? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.